spend all your time waiting.
Every minute it happens. The cold faces of freezing people bearing the elements, dreaming of the day where they only have to wear one pair of pants, hoping for a morning where they look at a weather forecast that doesn't provoke this reaction.
Hi, I'm Ben Aaron, and like you, I'm fed up with this winter. The cold, the slush, the snotsicles. Ew. And it hasn't stopped.
This winter alone, we've been hit with a polar vortex, an Arctic blast, a northern exposure, a blue jasmine, a big chill, and an ecto cooler.
And the future doesn't look so bright either.
Tonight we expect rain and ice, and Sunday night we could be getting up to 27 feet of snow in some parts of Little Italy.
But this horrible weather has to be somebody's fault. I mean, come on, here it is, a day where hell
The kitchen
finally froze over, and you think nobody's to blame? There are too many people on this planet doing bad things. But who's the culprit? Well, let's look at the options.
The first potential guilty party is Justin Bieber. In the past few months, he's allegedly smoked, allegedly brotheled, and allegedly thrown eggs at his neighbor's house.
But he's only 19, so he gets a pass.
Next up is Kanye West. He's crass, sometimes violent, and equates himself to Jesus Christ. Who wouldn't want to throw snow in his face?
But he does make somewhat decent music, so he gets a pass. No, the person responsible for this epically horrible weather has to have used their power for the purposes of evil. Someone who has the authority to potentially push people around. Like you, Governor Christie.
Good evening, Robert. How are you?
My name is Ben.
Caroline, how are you tonight?
It's Ben.
Well, Eric, listen.
Governor Christie, I'm just going to ask you flat out, is your recent behavior responsible for this traumatic winter weather?
I can tell you that I don't recall making any conscious decisions.
People are freezing, and allegedly it's all your fault.
No, that's not what I said. That's the way it's been characterized afterwards.
Sorry, weird question. Are you a shower or bathtub guy?
What happens in that room stays in that room.
I'm sorry.
I need a few months off to deal with this. I'll be back to you.
You don't have to say an answer. Just if you're guilty for the bad weather, have a drink of water. Thank you, Governor Christie.
Thank you, Caroline.
So regardless of who's responsible for this weather, it's still going to be cold, still going to be gross, and still going to be annoying. So stay inside. I'll even bake for us.
I walk through this wicked